When it comes to improving your home's aesthetics, security, and energy efficiency, replacing your doors can make a significant impact. Whether you're upgrading to match your home's style or enhancing functionality, selecting the right replacement doors is crucial. For Dallas homeowners, the combination of unique architectural styles and unpredictable weather adds additional factors to consider. Here's your ultimate guide to choosing the best replacement doors in Dallas. Understand your needs before diving into design and materials. Determine your primary reasons for replacing your doors. Are you looking for better insulation, enhanced security, or a style update? Dallas homes experience hot summers, so energy efficiency might be a top priority. Similarly, if your home is in a historical neighborhood like Swiss Avenue, preserving its architectural character could be crucial. Key questions to ask. Is energy efficiency a priority for my home? Am I replacing interior or exterior doors? What level of security do I need? Do I want to match an existing design style? Consider the climate. The Dallas weather can be extreme, with scorching summers, occasional hailstorms, and humid conditions. Your door should be able to withstand these challenges without compromising its appearance or functionality. Material choices for Dallas weather. Fiberglass doors. Excellent for energy efficiency and durability. Fiberglass can mimic wood's appearance without succumbing to warping in humid conditions. Steel doors. Great for security and weather resistance. Steel is ideal if you're seeking strength but may require maintenance to prevent rust. Wood doors. A timeless option that offers beauty and charm but might need extra care to handle Dallas climate. Look for doors with proper insulation and weather stripping to keep your home cool during the hot months and to minimize energy costs. Focus on energy efficiency. Dallas homeowners often face high energy bills during summer. Opting for energy-efficient replacement doors can help mitigate these costs while keeping your home comfortable. What to look for. Energy Star certification ensures the door meets or exceeds energy efficiency standards. Low-E glass panels. If your door includes glass, low-E coatings help reflect heat and keep interiors cooler. Insulated cores. Materials like polyurethane or foam cores enhance thermal performance. Embrace style and design. Your replacement door should complement your home's style and add curb appeal. Dallas neighborhoods range from modern high-rises to classic ranch-style homes, and your door selection should align with your home's character. Popular door styles. Traditional paneled doors, ideal for colonial or ranch-style homes. Contemporary doors, sleek and minimalistic, perfect for modern designs. Rustic doors, featuring rich wood tones and wrought iron details, these are great for homes with a southwestern flair. If you're looking for a personal touch, many manufacturers offer customizable options, allowing you to select finishes, hardware, and colors. Prioritize security. Safety is a top concern for any Dallas homeowner. Your replacement door should provide peace of mind without sacrificing aesthetics. Top security features. Reinforced frames. Prevent forced entry by choosing a sturdy frame to support your door. Advanced locking systems. Look for multi-point locks or smart locks for added security. Impact-resistant glass. For doors with glass panels, ensure the glass is shatter-resistant. Work with a reputable dealer or installer. Choosing the right dealer or contractor is just as important as selecting the door itself. Look for professionals with experience in the Dallas market, as they will understand local building codes and weather conditions. Questions to ask your installer. Are you licensed and insured? Do you offer warranties on your doors and installation services? Can you provide references from Dallas area customers? Set a budget. Replacement doors can range from affordable to high-end luxury. While it's tempting to cut costs, investing in quality materials and craftsmanship pays off in the long run. Keep in mind that energy-efficient and durable doors may reduce future repair or energy expenses. Consider additional features. Finally, think about any additional features or upgrades that could enhance your new door's functionality or style. Smart doorbells or locks. Integrate your door into your smart home system. Decorative glass. Add artistic flair with etched or stained glass. Weatherproof coatings. Extend the life of your door with protective finishes. Conclusion. Replacing your doors is more than a home improvement project. It's an investment in your property's comfort, security, and appearance. By focusing on your unique needs and considering Dallas's climate and architectural trends, you can find a replacement door that enhances your home's value and livability. Whether you're modernizing your downtown Dallas loft or preserving the charm of a Highland Park estate, choosing the right replacement door is your gateway to style and functionality.